trade setups for today. So let me just delete this. I don't know why this line always comes in. Okay, so pretty much a nothing day yesterday. We had another range bar, this time a red bar. And, if we get another indecisive red bar like we had today, that is, and especially on the daily, that is a bearish pattern. Okay. Not, yeah, let me put it this way. It's, rather than worry about where the top is, I think worry about where your entry long is. Because at this stage, it could be a top. Very good possibility, not a high possibility because we are in an upward trend. It could be a top, but it could also just be a bit of consolidation before push through the level. Okay, so this is a pretty strong level that we're at the moment, 32.38. Okay, and we've tested it a couple of times. So you can see 3 days in a row we were trying to get through there. 2 days here that we tried to get through. Looked in the past, it's been used in the past as well. So this is a fairly strong level at the moment, and the ultimate rule at the moment is we are trending up. So you're looking for opportunities to buy. Until you start breaking through these fractals here, the trend is up. Okay. So if we come down to the 3 hour, you can see trend is up. We've had a nice big pullback here. Didn't really get below these lows. Buyer stepped in, moved it back to the upside. So that is pretty much what we're looking for. We're looking for buying opportunities. Now, in saying that, price action of yesterday and a bit of day before is confused. Okay, so that is barbed wire. I think you're going to see it a bit better on the hour as well. Look at those tails up, tails down. That is barbed wire. Okay, looks like a piece of barbed wire with all these barbs on it. That's not something I like trading at all. Okay, the only thing I can take out of this at the moment is that we are still trending up. You can see the buyers are still coming in and the sellers are sitting at the top selling out of this. I just want to keep that level. Delete this. And now I'm going to put my level in there, and my next level is going to be right over there. Not there, there. Okay, all I'm doing is I'm taking these fractals. That fractal there lines up with this, lines up with that, and that's pretty clear. Okay, not really looking any further to the left for this one. This is the range we're trading in. So we're trading between 32.18 and 32.01. Okay, so I expect this to continue through today. I wouldn't be too surprised to see us fall here and then back up. This gap here has not yet closed. That's the other thing that you need to bear in mind. Okay, so the gap, close of the gap is at the bottom of this bar here, which is down here. You can see it's at a level as well. So that is the gap. That's 31.93. Okay, so don't get too excited if it breaks through this range and anticipate shorts, because what you're going to find is you're probably going to get ambushed either here. Let's get to my 8 hour. Get that other level in. The other level is right over there. Okay, and then there's one even further down, which I'd love to get into, which would be down here. Come back to the hour. Okay, so you see what I did? I used the fractals to get my levels. Now look at the hour. You can see this 8 hour level, which is 31.78. I can adjust it further down and just make it unselectable. And that is 31.74. So you can expect sort of buyers coming in. I would expect buyers to come in here at 31.93 and drive it up, but it may just be to test the bottom side here and then fall further. And this is where the value is going to be. However, it is Friday. So, if the buying opportunity doesn't come early and give you the opportunity to get out of it tonight, then don't take it. You could find a lot of people that are just based on this uncertainty are saying, well, let me rather be safer than sorry and let me get out of my position and look at it again on Monday. So that's another thing that may transpire. Okay, so until this range breaks, either way, I think I'm staying well away from this. It's a little bit high for me to start looking for longs, but if it does break through here and retest it, I'll definitely take that long. It'll be a one-to-one trade. So it'll be sort of that. It's 223 points. Well, not quite, almost one-to-one trade, just a bit less than one-to-one trade. But that's definitely something I'd look at. But until that happens, if we break the downside, I'm not really interested in that short. I'll wait lower down to see what transpires, because I know what will happen to me is I'll get in short here and the buyers will step in right at the gap and then reverse it strongly. So I'd rather just go with the trend, and the trend is up. Okay, so yeah, bit of confusion at the moment, lots of barbed wire, range bound. And I think for me, the interesting thing here is there was a lot of data that came through yesterday. There were a lot of earning results coming through, mixed bag that came through, and the market did absolutely nothing. Okay, so just be careful of that. And I also noticed a little bit of stocking up on Swiss franc and Japanese yen yesterday as well. So I could just be nervous people just anticipating something which may not happen, or there could be something to read into it as well. So for me, it's just whenever I see ranges like that, it indicates nervousness, it indicates confusion, and it basically means you must stay out of it until it breaks that and they get a direction again and trade with the direction. Okay. Anyway, guys, that's it for me at the moment. Hope it helps, and we'll catch up with you later. Cheers for now.